My name is Nicholas Sanchez. I'm a professional hairdresser, been in the industry for 37 years, and through my years in the business, I've noticed that there's a lot of women who are having hair loss issues. And so because of that, I started to look for different options on how I can service those clients. And I have come across a fantastic company called Perfect Locks, who have just come out and launched topper pieces to help address the issues of female pattern hair loss. So here we have Sue. She's experiencing a little hair loss up in the crown, and she would love to have a lot more volume in her hair and a lot more coverage. So the system that we chose for her is the 3-clip system. It's a polyurethane with a silk base and a silk swirl pad. So as we apply this system, we're going to open up the clips, and then we're going to go ahead and move over and apply this just behind the hairline. So we have a little bit of her hair in the front to help with the camouflage. So as you see, it's not that difficult to apply these systems. They snap in pretty easily, and they are very secure once you snap them down. Now, as you can see, the color blend on her hair is absolutely amazing. It absolutely blends in. You can't tell where one stops and one starts. So now, what area that she was concerned about is now back into a very full state.